Hey, this is Richard and welcome back to Downgrid Survival. So I just released a video a few moments ago and I like doing these videos when I'm out running some errands, and I still have some errands to do, so here's another video. Now I'm getting ready to stop up here at Costco to get some gas. I try to keep my gas tank no less than about a half a tank, and yeah, I'm gonna have to go pay the piper and get some fuel. Now, a couple of months ago, I started talking to my family and sharing with them that I thought gas would be $5 by the time summer hits. And and that's just for my local area here in Central Florida. And I was correct on that. I mean, gas is averaging around here about $4.89, so it's real close to $5. And we've still got a little time left before summer officially starts. Now, where is this headed? You know, it's hard for anyone to guess, but if you listen to analysts, they're most always wrong. Okay, I'm talking about your Wall Street analysts. They have some insight, but their predictions are way off. And I'm not saying that my predictions are going to be anything correct. I happened to get this last one right when I told my family prepare for $5 gas. But the reality is, gas has been increasing every day for weeks now. And you know the saying, you keep doing the same thing and you're going to keep getting the same results. Well, our government hasn't done anything to improve that situation, and nothing that's going on in the world right now is changing that's going to help that situation. So gas is going to continue to elevate and get higher and higher. If anything, it could accelerate and we could start seeing bigger jumps, because there's a lot going on right now in the world that could affect that. So where's gas going? I'm saying it's going to go to $7. And I know, like in places like California, I don't count that, right? And California is a whole different animal. You know, that's completely different. Things are always outrageous there because of their policies. I'm talking about average across the United States. I'm talking about what I can expect to pay here in the Central Florida area. I think, honestly, we're going to see $7 gas before summer is out. And that's based on a couple of things. One, gas prices haven't changed. I mean, they haven't dropped, but they continue to increase. Nothing has changed that's going to make things better, so it's going to continue to increase. And if anything, things like what's going on with Israel and Iran, it's not being talked about, but things are just heating up. And at any moment, something could break out there and cause problems with our fuel supply. Things in between Russia and Ukraine, there's nothing on the horizon that's going to change there, other than things will continue to get worse, and Ukraine will continue to get beat up, and that's not going to change. You know, with the current administration, they're not going to change their policy all of a sudden and say, oh, let's make things better and open up a pipeline and start releasing more fuel. It's just, I don't see that happening. And so when you consider all these factors of what we're facing, inflation is not going away overnight. They're still talking about, if you listen to analysts, they're still talking about a recession maybe next year. Well, these people are elitists that are living above the rest of us. They have no idea what's going on down at your and my level, and we're already in a recession. You know, you don't spend $5 for a gallon of gas and rents going through the roof, where you're spending $1,500 for a one-bedroom apartment, and $5 a gallon for milk, and we're in a recession. We are in a recession. Inflation is out of control. Interest rates are constantly going up, and unemployment isn't getting any better either. So, despite what everybody else is saying, we're in a recession, and those don't turn around very quickly. So we're in this for the long haul. It's going to continue for the rest of this year, probably next year. I don't see any magic switch that's going to, or magic button that's going to change this for us. So unfortunately, I think we're gonna see $7 gas by the end of summer. Every summer gasoline goes up because people are traveling more, they're out doing things, and the prices just magically get higher. I think it's going to continue to see that trend. And then if you also, and I'll throw this out too before we close out this video, there are government officials that have publicly stated on camera, and the comments that they're making, it's almost as if they're gloating a little bit. They're proud of the fact that gas prices have risen and gotten to the point they are, because it just helps them with their agenda. Okay, their green, build back better, let's save the planet agenda, and they want everybody to go out and buy electric cars so you don't have to spend fuel. So make no mistake about this. This is all part of the plan. Okay, this is all part of the reset. This is planned. This is it's not going to change. And us little folks, we're just stuck, right? We're just stuck dealing with it. I can't afford an electric car. You probably can't afford an electric car. Very few people can, and that's not going to help the problem, because all these electric cars got to get plugged in. And they're already saying 2/3 of the country is going to experience blackouts this summer because they can't produce enough electricity. And then you got the administration out there implementing the Defense Act that allows them to go out and try to prioritize the production of solar panels. Yeah, that's really going to help. We're in it for the long haul. Do what I do. Plan your trips carefully. And I try to go out no more than once a week, because fortunately for me, I don't have to go somewhere else to work. So I get to plan my trips carefully, and I try to go out no more than once a week. And if I do go out more than once a week, it's a very short trip real close to my home. And that's about it. Who can afford to do anything these days? Pretty soon people won't be able to afford to go to work, and they'll be quitting their jobs. And that's just going to compound things. And look, folks, if you're still on the fence, if you're still not sure, if you're finding this video because you're trying to learn more about it, you're way behind the power curve here. And pull your head out of the sand, because it's bad. Stop listening to mainstream media, because they're not reporting these things. Do your independent research. Open your eyes, just see what's going on in your immediate community, and that'll be a testament right there to what's going on. You need to get ready. You need to get prepared. Subscribe to this channel. I'll keep putting out some good information to try to help you. Like this video. Help me get it out to more people. This channel is small. It's not as big as the big guys, but I do my best out here to keep bringing good information. So please, everybody, smash that like button now and help me out. And share this video with family and friends. And we'll somehow get through and see each other on the other side.